Yo, hello. What's your name? Right. You are supposed to pay attention here, okay? Right angle triangle and Pythagoras property that we are going to study in today's lecture. This was the okay. Who was Pythagoras? Pythagoras was a person who gave some important rules in mathematics. Okay. One of its famous property was right angle triangle property. Okay, what he says that he had given the sides of right angle triangle. You know right angle triangle, right? What is right angle triangle? One of the angle is 90 degree. That is right angle triangle. Now this person, Pythagoras, gave the sides, the three sides, names of right angle triangle. The longest side, that is the side which is opposite to 90 degree. This is the angle 90 degree. Which side is opposite to 90 degree? AC. Okay. So what we have given? The side having special names. One is the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. What? Hypotenuse. What? Hypotenuse. Page number 127. Please underline. The side opposite to the right angle triangle is called the hypotenuse. Second paragraph. Okay. We have given the name. The side opposite to the right angle is called what? Say hypotenuse. I am going to represent it by H. Understood?
Yes.
Understood? Okay. And the other two side, he gave name. The other two side, he gave the name. What is the name of other two sides? Legs. That means this one is a leg and this is also called a leg according to Pythagoras, not me. Understood? Okay. But many are giving this the name. Okay. Because it is right angle, this can be known as altitude and this is known as base. Understood? Let me give it as B and this as A. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
According to Pythagoras gave what name? These are the legs of the right angle triangle. And the side opposite to 90 degree angle is called hypotenuse. Clear? But we generally what we do? We say altitude and base. Okay, not every time this is the base. Okay, if you are taking base as this one, this side if you are taking base, then this will automatically become an altitude. Clear or not?
Yes.
Okay, what other thing Pythagoras gave? He told that when you square the hypotenuse, that is hypotenuse square will be equal to sum of square of their legs. What? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of their legs. Page number 128. This page. They have given you, right? Read what it says. In a right angle triangle, what it says? In a right angle triangle, say the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of their legs. Easy? Okay. So whenever whenever you see right angle triangle, you will say, okay, this is 90 degree, opposite to that this is hypotenuse. Okay, one will be, the other two will be their length. And if it is right angle triangle, then definitely h square is equal to a square plus b square. Let me give you one example how to solve this. Okay, if they tell you that prove that this is a right angle triangle, prove that this is okay. Now if they say this is right angle triangle, okay, and then they will tell you this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, find this one. What is the question? Find the hypotenuse. Clear? Find the hypotenuse. So you have the formula. Since it is right angle triangle, Pythagoras will come into play. Pythagoras property. And what Pythagoras property says? Square of the hypotenuse, here it is AC. Yes, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of its legs. What is legs? 3. And what is legs of 4? Right? Now 3 3s is 9, 4 4s is 16. So this will become 25, right? AC square is equal to 25. Now if I take square root both sides, okay, if I am removing this square here or taking square root, this square and the square root will remove and you will get with square root of 25. This is known as square root of 25. And what is square root of 25? How we got 25? 5 into 5, right? So your answer will be clear. Clear? This is the square root. If you know square root, then you can easily make out or you can easily calculate the sum. Clear? So the hypotenuse side is what? How much? AC. AC is equal to 5 centimeters. Clear? Please pause. Now, how we got Pythagoras property? How we are putting Pythagoras property that you have understood, right? Now, suppose they have given you these 3 sides, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, what they have told? One triangle is there. One side is 3 centimeter, one side is 4 centimeter, and the third side is 5 centimeter. That proves that this triangle, the triangle formed by these 3 sides, is right angle triangle. સમજાય છે શું કીધું મેં? સમજાય છે? તમને એમ કે ભાઈ 3 સાઈડ દીધી છે, 3 સેન્ટીમીટર, 4 સેન્ટીમીટર અને 5 સેન્ટીમીટર. આ 3 સાઈડથી એક ટ્રાયેંગલ બને છે. ક્લિયર? ઓકે, તો તમે પ્રૂવ કરો કે આ ટ્રાયેંગલ જે ફોર્મ થાય છે એ રાઈટ એંગલ ટ્રાયેંગલ છે. એ પ્રૂવ કરવાનું છે તમારે. પહેલામાં શું હતું? 2 આપી હતી, થર્ડ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું હતું. અને ત્યારે તમને કહી દીધું હતું કે આ રાઈટ એંગલ ટ્રાયેંગલ છે. અહીંયા તમને એમ નથી કીધું કે આ રાઈટ એંગલ ટ્રાયેંગલ છે. તમારે પ્રૂવ કરવાનું છે કે આ રાઈટ એંગલ ટ્રાયેંગલ છે. તો તમે શું કરશો? જે લોંગેસ્ટ સાઈડ હોય, આમાં લોંગેસ્ટ સાઈડ કઈ છે? 5 સેન્ટીમીટર. એનો સ્ક્વેર કરવાનો. ચલો શું થાય? 25. અને બીજી બે નાની સાઈડ છે ને, એનો સ્ક્વેર તો કરવાનો પણ એને પ્લસ કરવાનો. ચલો 3 નો સ્ક્વેર અને 4 નો સ્ક્વેર. આ શું થયું? 25. આ શું થયું? 9. આ 16. 16 plus 9 25. अगर जो आप ये इक्वल आ गया तो यस इट इज अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. હવે રાઈટ એંગલ ટ્રાયેંગલ તો આવી ગયો. આ ત્રણમાંથી કયો એંગલ 90 ડિગ્રી છે એ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવું હોય તો જે લોંગેસ્ટ સાઈડ છે એની ઓપોઝિટ વાળો એંગલ શું હોય? રાઈટ એંગલ. આમાં લોંગેસ્ટ સાઈડ કઈ છે? 5. આન્સર શું આવશે? ABC is right angle triangle. Right angle at B. હવે આ જે મેથડ હતી એને આપણે કહેશું કન્વર્સ ઓફ પાયથાગોરસ પ્રોપર્ટી. વોટ? કન્વર્સ ઓફ પાયથાગોરસ પ્રોપર્ટી. કેમ કન્વર્સ ઓફ પાયથાગોરસ પ્રોપર્ટી? પહેલી વાત તો કન્વર્સ એટલે શું? કન્વર્સ એટલે ઓપોઝિટ. Opposite of Pythagoras property. We applied this, okay, to prove that this is right angle triangle. So we have used what? Converse of Pythagoras property. समझाए से बताया? Okay. Let me check. Please give that duster. Okay, again one thing. Again they have given you some other triangle. Let me take 4 centimeter. One triangle is given with 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. And they tell you that the one triangle is formed with the given size. Okay, with this given size. Is it right angle triangle? So what you will say? What you will prove? कन्वर्स ऑफ पाइथागोरस प्रॉपर्टी. अगर जो कन्वर्स ऑफ पाइथागोरस प्रॉपर्टी अगर अप्लाई થાય છે તો આ રાઈટ એંગલ ટ્રાયંગલ છે. Which is the longest side? 7. So 7 નો સ્ક્વેર પછી 4 નો સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ 6 નો સ્ક્વેર. 7 7 is 49. 4 4 is 16. 6 6 is 36 plus 16 52. Is it equal to 49?
No.
It is not equal to 49. So, will it form right angle triangle?
No.
अगर जो right angle triangle આ ત્રણથી બંધ હોવા જોઈએ તો એની પ્રોપર્ટી હોલ્ડ કરવી જોઈએ. right angle triangle એમાં પ્રોપર્ટી અગર તો હોલ્ડ કરે તો આને શું કહેવાય કે yes it is right angle triangle. Clear? Understood what we have studied? We have studied about the right angle triangle and one person named Pythagoras. He have given his property of right angle triangle. First of all, what he told? He told that he gave the name of the 3 sides of the right angle triangle. Out of that, the longest side is not. He gave the name hypotenuse, and the other 2 sides as less. And what he told that if the triangle is right angle triangle, अगर जो triangle right angle triangle છે तो શું property hold થશે? Square of hypotenuse say square of hypotenuse say come on fast.
Square of
Hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of its length. છે એવું right? Okay. Opposite to that, converse of right angle triangle. What he told, if 3 sides are given, and you are supposed to prove that this with these 3 sides triangle right angle triangle is formed. So what it should hold? Pythagoras property it should hold. अगर जो તમને 3 સાઈડ દેવામાં આવે છે ગુજરાતીમાં પાછું બોલું છું, અગર જો તમને 3 સાઈડ દે અને તમને પૂછે કે ભાઈ આ રાઈટ એંગલ ટ્રાયંગલ ફોર્મ થશે તો શું પ્રોપર્ટી કઈ પ્રોપર્ટી હોલ્ડ કરવી પડે? This property it should hold. That means LHS must be equal to RHS. And for that what you will do? You will square the longest side. Okay? Equate it with the squares of their legs. If LHS is equal to RHS, अगर LHS equal to RHS दे दूं तो yes it will form right angle triangle. And if it forms right angle triangle, which angle will be 90 degree? Angle which is opposite to longest side. Everything clear?
Yes.
Easy?
Yes.
Okay, with this property, with these 2 properties, that is Pythagoras property and converse of Pythagoras property, we are going to solve exercise 6.5 from tomorrow. Clear?
Yes.
Easy?
Yes.
Please.